mo
athletic siya. He likes to run, nice body, man naman, mag-aalaga. Likes the same food as she likes, like healthy choo-choo, mga ganyan. But she keeps a barrier. She doesn't give in
Grabe ka! Namit mo na ba siya healthy,
Because my friend asked her for a number. Michelle, what's your number? And she's like, later. That's my friend. My friend comes up to me, bro, I'm rejected. That has never happened to me. I'm rejected.
Mate, opposite of Barry. No! Sa'yo, Shaina, what is it? Ano ba? Ano kasi? Ano ka ba?
I joked her something, no, mabigmay ka na.
Nag-joke kami ng first season na parang tinanong niya ako. I mean, alam naman natin na he's with Sarah. Pero parang tinanong niya ako if meron akong boyfriend. Sabi ko, wala. Uy, hanapin mo nga ako ng sige. Ang bahala sa'yo. Gusto ko yung yung decente, triathlete, gano'n. Parang maaga matutulog, or may disiplina. Alam mo yun?
Sakto, sabi ko meron ako. Tapos,
Wait, Mateo cute.
Of course, guwapo. Hindi lang cute, sexy, guwapo, macho.
Sexy. Guwapo na macho pa. Pero, nahirapan ako. Hindi kasi nakatrabaho. Nasa-trabaho ko siya. Paano ba to? Hindi ko parang nakikita yung sarili ko na, well, for me kasi it's work lang talaga. Again, doon na tayo. Mabalik tayo doon sa yes or no, black or white. Yan lang talaga. Parang, for me, I don't see na namimix yun na kayo and then at the same time, you're from the same industry, gano'n. Tayo, bigyan mo ng advice si Shaina. Pwede mo mag-work ang isang relationship. Shaina kasi, hello, I've been there. Pero kasi, hindi kayo magkatrabaho. Ito, nakatrabaho ko.
Perfect dito. Hindi siya ganun ka-showbiz. Hindi siya ganun ka-active. Shaina likes healthy stuff. So the next taping day, prepared 12 boiled eggs. Shaina, I have eggs for you. Sweet 12 boiled eggs. Nakapil na.
Ang daming cholesterol. Sa'yo kinikilig. Nakakaloka ka.
He's a nice guy.
He is a nice guy.
Give it a try. Diba? You never know. Kilig,
Pero Shaina, if mangyari, if biglang si Mr. Right, biglang may spark, are you open to it? Of course. Actually, kanina natanong kami, and then tanong na parang what's going to make you give up your singlehood? And ako, hindi ko siya okay, number 1, ito. Number 2, ito ang mga kasagay. Hindi ko siya maganon because I guess hindi ko siya madating. But I think the moment na dumating siya, I give up, Lord!
Bilis naman mag-give up, ha? Bilis naman magbigay.
Pagdating niya, syempre, agad, alam ko na yun. Siya na yun. Pag-sure na ako, pag yes.
Bigay agad.
Yes, okay, I give up my singlehood, Lord. I-push mo pa ng country's friend. Baka diesel. Kailangan lang warm up ng konti. Hindi tayo magpapatumpik-tumpik sa we had a story earlier today tungkol sa iyong isa sa mga closest friends mo, Bea. And your ex, pubusin na ako. Actually, mahirap Hindi ako yung tipong tao na susaw-saw sa issue ng iba. I mean, as much as possible, I just won't talk. And mahirap for me because I'm promoting 3 projects and baka naman sabihin nila dahil lang nagpo-promote ako. Kaya kumakasakay rin naman siya. Because, the story can move on naman without my reaction. Diba? It's far from my world right now. So whatever it is that's happening in their world, it's far from my world right now. It's just really this. So ayoko magsalita about stuff or people